What's up, BINGE Baes? It's your girl Blake, and I'm back with another video. Hey! And today, guys, the gold key. He's looking for my P.O. box key. Yes. Let me see. Yes, that's it, Tug. So we're at the post office. I haven't been to this post office in a minute where my P.O. box is. So I was like, let me just come here, check my P.O. box. And I got to mail out a binge order. So yeah, y'all just gonna run a couple errands with me. And then one of my errands, I'm going to the gun range. So I'm going to drop him off at my mom's house. And me and Pop Pop are going to the gun range. Anyways, guys, without further ado, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, stay tuned. See you guys in the next clip. I got all this stuff in my P.O. box. I had to take my glasses off because they were falling out. Yes. Hi. I just have, hold this for me. Alright, guys. I'm going to the shooting range for the first time in my life ever. So this will be fun. And I get to do it with my dad. He's behind me somewhere. There he is. Alright, guys. I'm about to go in here and see what it's all about. See you in a second. Hey, guys. So I'm about to go into the gun range, my first time ever. And I'm going to be using a Glock 19. So this is exciting. See you guys in a sec. Recording. I showed this part. Why that hit nothing? Oh, yes, I am. I got up there, up there. Look, y'all. I got all around the head. Look at that. I got all these body shots now, baby. Now, as y'all can see, your girl don't miss, period. And that's just that on that, okay? So we just left the gun range, and we're about to probably get something to eat. And knowing my dad is probably gonna be vegan, so yeah, I'm sorry, but I haven't eaten all day. And that gun range is loud, y'all. It is loud. That was my first time. I'm so excited, and I did really good, y'all. If I must say so to myself, okay? Yeah, but I'll let you guys know where we end up going. But this was good. I started my process with being a gun owner, so I went ahead and got my fingerprints and all that stuff done. So yeah, I have to come back and take a 4-hour class, and yeah. All right, well, we're about to head to lunch and see you guys in the next clip.
What kind of rice did you get?
Brown, because the jasmine rice, we had to wait. So we both got brown rice. You guys, your girl is so hungry, okay? I'm starving. One note, I would not go to a gun range hungry, ever, okay? Because then you're going to get a headache, okay? Because it's loud in there, all right? So when you go to the gun range, make sure you're fed. Hey, fat man.
Hey.
So we're eating vegan Mexican
Food.
from Everlasting Life.
And after when we eat our food, we're gonna.
Oh, there's vegan chocolate cake. That's what he waiting on, y'all.
We're gonna try that.
That's what he is waiting on.
In a minute. No. We're gonna try it.
You understand?
What kind of stand?
No, I got this.
No, we gotta eat. We gotta eat with our hands free. Tasty and delicious. It has brown rice. Oh my goodness. Hallelujah. Why don't you do it? Why don't you do it?
And you can adjust it to where you want.
I like that. All right, guys. This bowl has brown rice. It has vegan cheese. It has vegan sour cream. It has
we got chips.
tortilla chips. And then it has, I have red beans. You have the option.
And we have jalapenos.
Yes, jalapenos too. And
some chicken.
No chicken. You had the choice of a few proteins that you can have: vegan chicken, vegan beef, or mushrooms, and I chose mushrooms. It has peppers, onions.
Like, choose which one do you like.
Yeah, exactly. Choose the one you like, okay? And I got some salsa, some pico de gallo, child.
And mind your own business.
Period.
Make sure you mind your business.
That's right. That's what you need to do.
I'm just telling you. I'm trying to tell them about the good food. And then mind your business.
But mind your business, okay? That's good advice, child. I can get you out of a lot of trouble if you mind your business. So yeah, we're just enjoying this vegan meal real quick.
But we're gonna have a vegan cake after.
Most importantly, that vegan cake you keep talking about, honey. You want some more? With no jalapenos? Okay.
I like jalapenos, but I don't want to taste it around mom.
You don't want it right now around Mama and Papa. This is so delicious, guys. So if you're in the DMV, try Everlasting Life.
And make sure you have water to make sure your mouth is not dry.
Or hot, because if you get jalapenos, it's gonna be spicy. Okay.
Yeah, and I had a spicy mouth, and I ate jalapenos last, like the day when last night.
Was it last night?
It was last night when Dad.
We had teriyaki chicken last night. All right, guys, I'm about to finish this food. I'll turn it back on when we try the vegan chocolate cake because I really want to see what that's all about. All right, see y'all in a second. All right, guys, I'm about to taste this chocolate cake. I'm waiting for Renato to get back over here. Is this my chip?
Looking for something.
Oh, Renato, did you put this chip over here?
Renato. Come.
Oh, a fork for yourself. You can't share with me.
Mama's gonna share it here for a cookie. Come on.
We're going to long.
Okay.
He think he finna tear it up. He probably is.
Wait, where are you? Okay.
You couldn't find it?
He's closing the drawer.
All right. So Bernardo, you're gonna try it first, okay?
Okay.
All right.
But girls first though. Aww. Supposed to be first.
You're so precious. You have such good manners. Yes. Oh. Okay, I'll try it first then. All right. It's very dense, like a chocolate cake should be. Okay. Now let's try. You see?
What is all that?
I'm not gonna give you my opinion yet. I'm gonna see what he says. Let me get this. You got that? What do you think?
It tastes like regular chocolate cake.
Doesn't it?
It tastes like what?
Regular
Child. Go ahead, baby. Thumbs up on the vegan chocolate cake. Thumbs up. Okay. All right, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure if you're a new binge bae, let me know in the comments below so I can shout you out in the next video. All right. Binge on something positive today, you guys, and we'll see you
in another video.
in another video.
Righteous on the beat.